Hello everybody, my name is Jimmy Chu. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Nanoleaf. This year at IFA, we're showcasing one of our newest products. It's called the Nanoleaf Canvas.
Dieses Video wird euch von den wasserdichten JBL Bluetooth-Lautsprechern präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
So we designed it in a way with square panels where they're modular, so you could piece it together either in a grid kind of situation, or you could actually offset them so that you could create very unique designs. In a single setup, we support up to 500 panels. So that's an order of magnitude larger than our previous product. And we've also embedded all of the control product stuff into one of the panels. So in this panel here, you can actually control the different lighting effects. So if you don't want to use your smartphone, if you don't want to use our remote, then you could actually control it using these touch buttons here. We've added some new functions such as this shuffle feature, and allows people to shuffle through some of the top known scenes that are in our cloud environment. Also, there's the rhythm button that allows the light panels to react to sound. So right now the light panels are actually reacting to my voice. Of course, if you have music playing, it'll be much better. But yeah, this is very different from our previous product. Instead of triangular panels, they're now square panels, and actually a lot of people really like this marbled effect. We wanted to make sure that you have edge-to-edge illumination. Oh, and one new feature that we added was the ability to touch the panels. So now every single one of these panels has a capacitive touch sensor that allows you to do different effects just by touching it. And you can also double tap to turn it off. So the Nanoleaf Canvas is going to be available worldwide on December 1st. The starter kit comes with 9 panels for about 199 euros for a 9-pack, and we also have 4 panel expansion packs for about 60 euros. In the future, we plan on offering much larger packs, so 50 and 100 panel packs. So the idea is you could have an entire wall or entire ceiling of these light panels. So imagine walking into your kitchen and you look up and it'll look like clouds kind of floating by, and it'll be gorgeous. Thank you very much.